Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I will show you that how to set progress bar on from going one screen to another screen in your app in Sketchware. So here I am setting the name progress bar, the name of the app. Now at first what we should do is I am creating a new screen at the first, setting the name new one. Okay, now in the main activity what we have to do is to give at first a text view naming naming this is the first screen. I am setting the text size 25 sp 50 sp. Okay, now I am setting a progress bar here, and I am setting the progress bar style horizontal, and I am setting the intermediate, and the intermediate must be false at first. Then I am setting the progress bar height to height 0. This must not be 0, but 20 may be alright. I'm setting it 15. If I give 20, then it must be okay. Okay, this is the progress bar here, and then I'm setting a button match parent. Okay, and I'm setting the text is go to next screen. Okay, I'm setting the text size 30 sp, and then in the next screen, for understanding, I'm giving a text view only. I'm setting here this is the second screen. Please watch our videos as invitation for watching our videos. I'm setting the text size 30 sp, and then I'm going to main activity. Then on the event we have to go to view and click on the button on click. Now we have to create two components, one intent and the second one is timer T. Okay, everything is okay now. Now at first we have to go to view and set this code. Progress bar set intermediate 1 true. Now I want to say something that if the progress bar, here you see the intermediate of the progress bar is false at this moment, this means at first the progress bar will be blank, should be blank, and then when button on clicked set the progress bar true, this means the progress bar will start to work. And here it means if it is false then progress bar will not work, and but if it is true then the progress bar will work. Now we have to give another code here, timer after milliseconds T. I am giving here 2500 as 2.5, after 2.5 seconds it will go to the next screen. So I am setting intent set screen, start activity intent I the new one activity. Now we have to set another thing, progress bar set intermediate false, because if we do not give the false, then when we will be back to our main screen, the progress bar will work. The progress bar will continuously work. But if we give here set intermediate false, then the progress bar will stop work. We'll see the progress bar has stopped its work. Now I'm running the app. I'm installing the app. Just wait a second. Now here you see, here is our app, here is the first screen. Now this is the progress bar, this is the text, and here is the button. Now I'm clicking the button. Here you see the progress bar is working, and after some seconds, here is the second screen. This is the second screen. Please watch our videos. You will see again, here you see the progress bar is working, and here is the second screen. So thank you for watching this video. Please watch our videos of our channel to get knowledge about Sketchware. Thank you.